I know that my videos normally represent the height of fashion. I know that my massive popularity, on the account of all the violence, sex appeal, and sports references, have launched me into the top ranks of viral culture, making me a real trendsetter. But this video will not be like that. So I'm warning you now, this video gets an extremely high nerd rating. I will try to explain the details behind probably one of the nerdiest theoretical debates in Marxist economics. If you watch this video, and I think you should, you could be very well set to join other fashionable revolutionaries like these guys. That being said, the topic I'm going to discuss is an important one, but only because the debate behind it lies at the core of claims that Marxist labor theory value is discredited or contradictory. One does not have to look far into Marxist economic theory before one stumbles upon the quagmire that is the transformation problem. And the sheer magnitude of algebra and technical gobbledygook that lies behind most of the discussions of the transformation problem scare most people away from ever really looking into the debate further. Over the last 100 years, there has been furious debate back and forth over the meaning of Marx's theory of the transformation of values into prices of production, and over the various criticisms of it. Debates of such a stunningly polarized and mathematical nature that it is hard for us normal folks to wrap our minds around the issues at stake enough to know what to make of it all. The goal of this video is to explain the basic nature of the problem and to defend Marx's transformation procedure on the basis of some new scholarship on the topic. I will do all of this without any math or any algebra. On my WordPress blog, you'll be able to find a supplement with a more detailed discussion and some math examples for all of you super nerds out there who want to plow into some simple math. So everything in Marxist economics centers around the idea of value. Without a theory of value, we wouldn't be able to make most of the arguments that are considered a crucial part of Marxism. Arguments about exploitation, crisis, class. But value is not some abstract metaphysical concept. It's a real tangible thing that affects all of us every day. It's the reason we go to work in the morning. It's what allows us to buy groceries. It's why countries go to war. It's why we have banks and railroads and stock markets. The unfolding of the law of value is the unfolding of the inner mechanisms of a capitalist society. So it's important that the concept of value is internally consistent and logical, or else its status as an explanatory concept is questionable. So if you're interested in this problem, I suggest you favorite this video, rate it, subscribe to my videos, etc. And then click on part 2 and get started on this thing. Part 2 will explain this transformation of value into prices, and part 3 will discuss the debate over this issue. It's a little nerdy, but I spent a long time making this video, so check it out if you're interested.